Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy. It's your boy. But anyway, man, I want to talk about Cash Pirate and why I like it and what I don't like about it and what I dislike, what they took away, man. I used to love the making the points with this. So they used to have 4 ways to make points. Where it say more offers coming soon. It was another one right there, and it would be like watch and earn. You get like two cents, but I loved it because every day that's all I do. I love to watch and earn. That's probably the easiest thing to do. How I get points, this is what I do, man. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't be in here. All I do is promote. I'm gonna tell you in a minute what I do. But well, right here. I'm getting all mush mouth. Anyway, guys, check this out. This is what I do. I go right here and I download it. It say download and run this free app now and earn 20 points. And that's what I do. And download that, and then I come back and it'll be another one like that and do the same thing. And then I keep checking back and see if it's another one. Stuff like that. But that's mainly what I do. Now, how I'm able to let's go to the earning. How I'm able to earn this $2.50 now is because I have built a referral. I've built a referral, program or a referral base with it, or I built a team, I should say. Couldn't get it out, so I'm excited. But I'm gonna tell you guys, this app right here is low key, and I like it because it's low key. But at the same time, I don't think people believe that it still pay people. So if people still in it or if not in it, I don't know. But maybe people heard about it and still haven't joined. They probably don't think it's real. So I'm just doing an update. I do another update showing you the proof, but I want to build this boy up some more because I like this program or this app. But look at all these referrals, man. This is not to brag or boast, but it takes time, guys. I've been in this program. This app been around for a couple years. Couple years. Excuse me. I've been around for a minute. So as you can see, my total earning is 15,900 or 90. So 15,000, and I currently got 2,590. I have nothing pending, but my total cash out, I made 12,500, and that's what I cashed out total. So, and that's not, I'm not done, guys, because you gotta check this out. The referral don't lie. So, like I told you, I haven't really been in this program. If I haven't told you in the beginning, but I haven't been in this app in a minute, right? So I really just got back in and doing a little something because they took the watch and earn out. So when they took the watch and earn out, I just look and see every now and then and see if my referrals bumping me up with the points. Hey man, I can do that. I always pay up. So the last time I was in it, what like all the referrals, that's not me. That's not me bringing points in. Cash Pirate. So what is it's July now? So I mean August. So this is July 20th. So a month ago, I got them 20 points. I don't know what it was, but I know it was probably downloading apps. But it wasn't a watch and earn. I haven't did watch and earn in a minute. They took it out. Wow. But look at this. I haven't been in since March. Damn, from March. When last time I've been in? From March, I've been in everybody, a few times in March. But that's, I think, around this time, that's when they had that ad Colonial. So that was that watch and earn. That's mainly what I did, guys. So look. And that's from this year. And that's, it only, that's the farthest it go back. It don't even go back from last year or nothing, because I've been in it longer than this. So the whole time I haven't been in this, guys. Come on, man. Come on now. So I go to show you guys. And look at this. That's how many times I pulled out. So I told you I've been in there longer than just this year. I told you I've been in for about 2 years. So you see. The reason why I like it, because they actually have a referral program where it's an app where you get like, levels deep, trying to latest referrals. let's just go right here. What it says is right here. Thank you for using Cash Pirate. Mobile recharge is available again. Do not forget to rate the app. Invite your friends and earn 10% of their earnings as bonus. But it's for a lifetime, guys. See, look at this. I have 10% coming back from the first level, and 5% when they bring people in. My first level bring people in for the second level. So there go my referral code. So pause this video, write it down. Once you download it, if you don't use my link below the description, just pause it, download it now, and use my referral code, and you'll get some points, which is cash. You know, so 10% of all coins your referrals earn. 5% of all coins of any referrals of your referrals earn. So the people that my referral bring give me 5%. So when your referrals bring referrals in, that's gonna give you 5 points for the second level, and then when you bring people in, you getting 10%, and it's a additional 50-cent coins for the first 1,000 coins earning. So the first 1,000 coins earned, that equals 500 coins per person. So if you bring in 100 people and they all give you 1,000 coins, you getting 500 coins each, and that's pretty good, guys. I mean, you can pull out that free PayPal cash, the money out your pocket, man. That's what it means. The mobile recharge, that's I guess I can't really explain it, but it's something like you can get some type of redeem coin rewards. I don't know if it help you get closer to getting some, but I guess when you get to the mobile rewards, you redeem for mobile recharge over 200 countries. I really don't. I don't know. I guess that's giving the points back with other people in the house. I don't know, but I'm gonna focus on what I know. I know about that PayPal, free PayPal cash, free money in the money out your pocket. Not gonna talk about none of this other stuff because none of this other stuff should matter. But if it do, you can go ahead and pick and choose. But haven't got to that 25. I can get to it. 25,000. Haven't got to the. I don't think. No, you seen it. I never got to the 10. Not even the 5. So I'm gonna try to get to the 25. I'm gonna try to go as long as I can to get to it. But I could pull out. So remember, you need 25 points to pull out 250. Not $25, but $2.50. Literally 250. And I pulled it out many times. You've seen it, but overall, let's go where I'm at. So I'm well over 2,500 points. I'm at 2,590. 2,590. So it's not 2,500 past 500. 590. A little bit past 500. And remember, guys, it's 10% of earning as bonus. When you bring your people in, when they bring people in, you get 5%, and that's a lifetime, guys. Like I said, this program been around at least 2-3 years, maybe longer than that. I just know I started getting in a while ago, and it's been around at least more than a year. So if it's still here and it's growing strong, so why not join if you ain't in? That's how I look at it. Definitely before people start bringing it and mentioning it up, because it ain't been big as other apps, man. And it's one of the oldest apps. I won't say one of the oldest, but one of the older apps that's been out for a minute. And a lot of people don't even acknowledge it, I do. I just had to bring it back up to give it its own attention again. That it stands on its own. It stands its ground, man. It holds its own. It holds its value, man. It's been helping me out. I can pull it out if I want to right now, but I'll be making another proof here in a minute, cause I'm gonna let my referrals do their thing, man, cause they doing their thing, man. I mean, you can't lie. The numbers don't lie. They doing their thing. Today is what? The 4th. So 3 of my referrals bringing me something in. So they brought me, some points in. So they brought me 24 points in, guys, just for the day. And that's not done. Think about it. Not for this month, definitely, because looking for the month of July, pretty much every day they was going crazy. 5th. I won't say every day, but I mean, kind of every day. So look, July 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 8th, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, for 15, 1, 2, 16, 17, 18, 20. or 21, 22, 20. So they pretty much was in here every day, guys, building me up. So they gonna continue to do that. So when I join Cash Pirate, it's good like the rest of them. Along with Cash Pirate, I have a couple more down there. Just go join all of them if you're not in there. They free money, no money out your pocket, free PayPal, cash, and they all are apps. So come join. Skip.